In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove null values in Tableau. Whether you're a seasoned analyst or new to Tableau, dealing with null values is a task you'll likely encounter, and learning how to efficiently handle them can significantly enhance the quality of your data visualizations. Let's begin by launching the Tableau app. Once you have Tableau open, access your worksheet. If you already have a worksheet prepared, go ahead and open it. Otherwise, create a new one to follow along with these steps. Now, to start visualizing your data, drag sales onto the columns shelf. This action will plot your sales data across a horizontal axis. Next, take customer name and drag it to the rows shelf. This step will set up your rows, giving you an easy way to see sales figures by customer name. To address the issue of null values, click on the postal code field. From there, select Create and then Set. Naming your set will help you identify it later as you refine your data. After naming your set, select All Values. If you notice that there is a null in this list, uncheck it and simply click OK. This step ensures that any null values are excluded from your set. Next, drag the postal code set to your filters. This will apply the adjustments you've made and filter out the nulls from your visualization. An alternative technique involves dragging sales to the columns shelf once more and customer name to the rows shelf, setting things up as you did initially. Once you've dragged postal code to the filters, you'll select all entries and click OK. To make the filter more accessible and interactive, click on postal code again and choose Show Filter. This will display the filter pane on the right side of your dashboard. Look for the filter on the right side and click on the drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to choose Only Relevant Values. This option will ensure that your visualization only displays entries pertinent to your current selection, refining your data view further. Now, you need to duplicate the postal code field by making a copy and dragging it onto the filters again. As before, select All, uncheck Null, and click OK. This redundancy ensures you cover all bases in filtering out those pesky null values. Finally, take the filter you've worked on and drag it under the Marks field. This step finalizes the filter application, ensuring your data visualization is clean and free from null entries. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to removing null values in Tableau. By following these steps, your data presentation becomes more precise and meaningful, providing better insights. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips help you create cleaner, more impactful data visualizations.